He no need a new song or him no need for
Him no need a new song.
or him no need for perform.
Him no need a new song. Him no need to perform a new song. Kartel does add more to his catalog.
But Kartel still a do new songs now.
Yes.
So you say no need it.
Because I love when you have to craft, bro.
But when me tell people say, and tell you say, yo, it not have the same substance, you know, beat me.
What you mean not have the
why
same
not
substance?
do it? You don't have it. That's why I'm not perform them.
Which artist lyrically inclined like Vybz Kartel?
Bro,
which
just
artist?
point out Massacre.
Listen, Massacre lyrically inclined, but
of course.
Not as Vybz Kartel, bro. Me can't tell you that.
No, a Vybz Kartel has an edge. You ask me which one similar. Okay. Vybz Kartel do have an edge, and me agree.
Let me assure you say, Kartel performing at these shows that Kartel don't need to perform a new song. Let me tell you what Kartel is. Kartel is a fairy tale to a lot of people.
It's not a fairy tale.
Listen, let me explain why I say that. Kartel is a fairy tale to a lot of people. You know why? When Kartel was in his prime back then, people been hearing about this Vybz Kartel. This Vybz Kartel did have teachers pet in the rum in the music industry pan a chokehold. Saying, boom, this man just disappear and go in a prison.
That's the next thing I want to talk about.